start asking myself my own questions again. Coach, what's interesting today? Well, P.E. Powell's going to speak later today at the New York Club. Right? I think he's at the New York Club. Maybe he's on Zoom. Yep. Wherever he is. In all of his mightyhood, he's going to be speaking. So he now has the weaponry to say, and I'm not saying that they did or they didn't. The government makes up numbers all the time. But at the end of the day, now you get a 1.4 on headline CPI. It's like, there's no inflation.
Yeah, I guess so. That was,
so he's going to let the market run. Like, I think that's if there's one thing, and that's the most important thing. Like, if I started selling some longs and feeding some ducks, that doesn't mean I can't buy some things back every day. Change, OODA loops all the time, right? So now today, what's the game today? Okay, we get this reaction in the bond market to this headline CPI print, and we have this guy speaking it too. Yeah. Okay, now we're talking about the game. Let's talk about these kinds of things. Let's not just load up the queue with baggage all the time. Let's play the game progressively. Let's play like people who have leveled up. I just leveled up a bit, right? I just gave you something to think about. Well, now we could go into the close with all-time highs back on the tape, and Powell being like, man, we're gonna let this run hot. Inflation's not even at 2 yet. So we already know this, right? We have, even if you're an M2 person, if that's what makes your whole world tick, that's fine. It's not what I do. But when the rate of change of growth, profits, when the rate of change of growth, inflation, profits, and policy, the GIP with an extra P, is all rate of change that way, and the Fed's saying game on, that's what's going on, right? That's the most important thing to take away from a reaction and now a headline, hook, line, sinker. And isn't it interesting that Wall Street only 2 days ago, 1 day ago, was like running all these headlines on inflation. Now they're going to say, oh, it's, and the officialdom's going to say it's nothing to worry about. So now you have another OODA loop to trade. Great.